This is going to be a true unboxing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new handbag to unbox and it's going to be very true. See, this box is all sealed. I just took the label off, but it's all sealed. So we'll be doing a true unboxing today from Matchesfashion. I purchased a brand new handbag. This is not a sponsored video. I paid full price for it. This is just me spending money again. And I should put myself on the no more spending list because I'm going a little bit overboard. But this is the handbag that I wanted to purchase, gosh, like last year. But I kind of held back. And I just said, that's it, I'm going for it. So you guys, I will be officially pulling this. There we go. So we can open this box. I have never purchased anything from the Matchesfashion. This is the very first time. Ooh, look at this. Look at this beautiful box. As I was checking out, you could have like an option of getting just a regular box or more kind of luxurious, and I opted out obviously for luxurious box since I'm buying a luxurious handbag, right? So let's just take this out of here. So this is all empty. Okay, so this is pretty nice, kind of a box. As you can tell, it's not a very big handbag, but if you know me, you won't be surprised. So it is a magnetic box, so let's just open up together. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is, like I said, this is my very first time purchasing from them. So I don't even know what to expect, but here's the box inside. So I assuming this is all the, yeah, there is my receipt and I will share with you price and everything afterwards, but there's all the receipts and what else is here? Like a little sticker. It says, Lena was packing my purchase, so that's kind of a nice personal touch in here. So let's see what's inside. Let me just take this. So there's no original box. See, that's why I was kind of wondering. So the box is just all kind of nice turquoise green inside. Let me put it to the side. So the handbag is wrapped in the tissue paper, and let's just slide this off. Ooh. Do you see what brand? So, you guys, let's take a look at this new beauty. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Let's see this a little bit. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is, oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Do we recognize this bag? You guys, this is my most used and my most favorite, I would say, everyday handbag. I have it in the black. I'll bring it just a second, but I love this handbag so much that, you know, when I saw this suede, and like I mentioned, I saw it last year, but I just couldn't resist. I just could not resist. I had to buy it. By the way, if you hear snoring, Eddie's here. Eddie has been my companion for the past few weeks, and he literally just goes everywhere I go. He's, so yeah, just keep in mind the little snores. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Isn't that such a perfect fall color? I mean, this is stunning. And I know YSL came up with this. Even this year, they have some new designs and some old designs as well that they do in this kind of a suede finish leather. Oh, this is such a fall handbag. And you know, like the fun fact, I don't have many color bags. Like I'm very boring person when it comes to my handbags. Everything is very neutral, very wearable. I only have like one red bag, which is my kind of, you know, more fancy handbag. Chanel, which I don't use every day because it's red. And this is like completely out of my comfort zone. So I hope I'll be able to style this handbag. Let me just take this, you know, this packaging off, and we can just see it in the full glory. All right, that was not an easy task to unwrap those straps, but I managed to do it. I set it up on the 5th hole in here, like I have in my other handbag. There is 7 hole total, by the way. So it's this handbag, actually, if you're one of those bigger gals like me, you will appreciate very much if you like to you know, like wear something crossbody. This handbag has such a long strap drop. You know, I'm quite curvy, and I keep it on the 5th, you know, and it sits very nicely on, you know, on the side. And this is such a curvy friendly handbag, I would say. And it's not, for, you know, for being a camera bag, it's not the tiniest one. There's certainly a lot of very, very tiny, you know, camera bag. This one, you can put a full-size wallet in it, and this handbag is absolutely amazing. Obviously, it comes with a tassel, and I disattached the tassel in my black handbag because I find this to be extremely annoying. If you do have a tip of how to keep this tassel, I wish they would just come up with a better, you know, option of how to keep it without, you know, see how it's annoying? Because every time you take it off and on, this tassel would just slides. Let me know if you have any tips for, you know, keep it unattached, because obviously it's nice, but it's just extremely annoying. So I completely removed the one from the black handbag. So, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Let's take a look at inside. So it's obviously all stuffed. Let me just remove they package it very nicely, so it didn't come like, you know, destroyed, wrinkled, or anything like that. There's a lot of stuffing in here. Okay, so the handbag is all black on the inside. It obviously comes with the little booklet, you know, probably some kind of, let's take a look. Is that like some kind of authenticity certificate? That's usually what the YSL does. No, there's nothing really. There's just like a information card, and there is some kind of a booklet. Hold on, maybe there's something. No, it's just like a little info. That's it. That's what it was there. So it's obviously all, yeah, it's the same as my black. It's just one slip packet in here, and it says made in Italy, if I'm correct. Yeah, it's made in Italy. So it's all, you know, just one big compartment, which is enough. This is, oh, it's so beautiful. This is going to be so ideal for, you know, fall and winter. And I know usually I don't like to buy seasonal bag, but, you know, last year I purchased that YSL, what is it called? The poofy bag. What's the name of it? You know what I mean? Looks like a winter jacket basically. And truly, I wore it. I bought it towards the end of the winter, so I didn't get a chance to, you know, carry this bag a lot. But now I'm planning to use it quite a bit. So this one might be one of those seasonal, you know, handbags because of the suede. But hey, I love it so much. Look, this is my black one, and I purchased this black in the summer of the beginning of the summer 2019. So I have it for over 2 years. And like I mentioned, this is one of my most used handbags. I actually currently am using it. I was just, yeah, when I took my kids to school, look, it's literally just stuffed, you know, to the brim. And it fits everything what you need. This handbag is just so amazing. So, you know, I was thinking over the summer to just buy like a beige version, like a full leather beige version, but this is just calling my name, okay? It's just calling my name. So obviously I had to get it. As you can see, I disattached the tassel. Let me know about this tassel, because, you know, I would like to have it, but yeah, I just keep it in a closet. But oh my god, I'm so excited. So obviously this handbag is slightly different because it has a gold hardware. This one is all with the silver hardware, which I thought for a while was very difficult to buy. I'll try to link them both down below. If you're still thinking about buying this bag, just go for it. Just go for it. These are the best handbags. I just love it. So obviously the, you know, the front, the zipper also is in gold. hardware, and this tassel has like an antique, I would say like an antique gold finish in here. It's very beautiful, but I wish it was just something different. And the full leather, not suede, is obviously heeled all the way around. So this section is all just a smooth leather, as you can tell, and only the suede is up front as well as the back. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this. I think once it gets a little bit cooler outside, you know, it's just going to be so nice to, you know, to carry this, because thinking how much I love this handbag. I cannot live without this handbag. This is the most used handbag. Every time I have to go like food shopping, or even, you know, just regular, just check what's in the stores, you know, and I want to have like a free hands, this is what I always will use, you know. I mean, the black one, obviously, you know, that's what I always carry with me. So to me, this is like to-go handbag, and I hope that I'm gonna, you know, enjoy and use this one as much, and especially now, you know, in the fall and the winter. I just, it's just so beautiful. Love it, love it. I've seen a lot of people last year that actually bought you know, this kind of suede handbag from YSL. There was different styles, you know, that I've seen on different influencers, and it's just so beautiful. So yeah, I'm so happy. I promise I'm gonna share the price with you guys. I ordered this on Sunday, I think. It was 3 days. It was like 3 days delivery. I got it very, very quickly. So this is obviously the receipt. The price, and he's making noises here. Okay, the price was $1,290, and this was included with the customs, and I don't have to pay anything extra. Those obviously, the tax, I guess, was included in this whole thing, the custom. There's a return label as well, and it came from the UK. Yeah, awesome. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know what you think about my newest baby. I'm gonna try to find it, obviously, and link it down below for you if you want to check it out. Yes, please let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I do a lot of videos about the fashion and beauty and makeup, just pretty much everything, whatever my heart desire. If you would like to join this little family, then please welcome, and make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I guess I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.